This could be the car for you. The 2024 Nissan Murano. This sporty Murano was designed with your lifestyle in mind. From its generous cargo space to its silky smooth ride to its advanced safety and infotainment tech, this deluxe midsize crossover infuses every journey with confidence. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, pre-collision system, proximity key entry, sun, moonroof, navigation system, heated driver's seat, keyless entry, moonroof, heated mirrors. Don't miss out on the upscale features this stylish Murano has to offer. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.